Hi everyone, my name is Jeannie. Do you remember my previous post? I talked about the M, the N, and the NG sound. How's your practice? Today, I will talk about another problematic sound in Japanese, the W sound. Actually, this consonant exists in Japanese language. However, it is not exactly the same as in English. For example, if W is followed by the vowel O, Japanese speakers tend to omit the W sound. So, instead of saying would, they would say would. Can you hear the difference? To do the W sound, form your lips into a small, tight circle. Imagine you are blowing a candle or you're kissing someone. Make sure you do the correct lip positioning or lip formation. You can check that if you face yourself in front of the mirror. Okay, now let's practice. Would. Wow. With. Woman. Flower. Would. Wow. With. Woman. Flower. Let's practice these words. I would if I could. World Wide Web. Wow, I like the flowers. In addition, we have WH words like where, when, why, what, and white. But we say who and whom. If WH plus O, we say the H sound instead of the W sound. So again, who and whom. That's all for today. For more of these, please visit us here in Startup English. Together, let's practice pronunciation and be a better speaker. Till my next post, bye-bye!